That's Izaz Savaria. His name appeared at number 265 in the uncapped spinners section of the IPL 2026 auction list in Abu Dhabi. In itself, that listing tells an unusual story. Izaz has not represented a state side, he hasn't played age group cricket, he hasn't featured in any recognized league. Yet his route to the IPL auction came through short polling videos filmed after practice sessions, uploaded online often without expectation. Savaria grew up in Bidar, a small town in North Karnataka, and comes from an Air Force family. He was unsold this season. That's Onkar Tarmale after Sunrisers Hyderabad bought him in the auction for Rs 30 lakh. From a small village of Shere in Maharashtra, Shahapur, Onkar grew up in a household that struggled financially. When the family went through hard times, his father passed on one simple lesson: focus on becoming someone big and work harder than circumstances allow. By the final gavel, two young Indians, Prashant Veer and Kartik Sharma, both picked by Chennai Super Kings, had rewritten history, becoming the most expensive uncapped players in IPL history with identical 14.20 crore price tags. When Kartik Sharma first picked up a bat in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, money was always short. His father Manoj survived on private tuition, selling cold drinks and taking up odd jobs, anything to keep the household running and the dream alive. Stephen Fleming, head coach of CSK, explained that the franchisee had been watching both the players closely. The trend wasn't limited to CSK. Delhi Capitals made Aqib Nabidar one of the auction's major stories with an 8.4 crore investment. Teams are tracking players across domestic competitions, from Mushtaq Ali Trophy matches to under-19 tournaments, building comprehensive profiles that justify significant financial commitments. Uncapped simply means a player who has never represented India internationally. It doesn't mean unprepared. India's domestic system now produces more elite-level players than international caps can absorb, forcing franchisees to make independent assessments. If Cameron Green's acquisition was the headline act, the record-breaking deals for uncapped Indian players define the auction's bigger story.